Oh, these young foodies be teaching me, honey. Did you know you could roast onion skin? You probably did. You saw it too, huh? Oh my goodness. A use for everything, so nothing gets thrown away. So I took some red onion skin. I even took some elephant garlic skin and roasted them down, and they ended up having this beautiful iridescence, almost copper-like. It looked like gold dust, and it stuck to my hands. I couldn't tell if that was the sugar from the skin or just like a little static electricity. But look, almost kind of golden, right? Yeah, well, when you grind it up into a powder, you literally get gold dust. It's so pretty. You can use this ground powder as a brew in tea. You could add it with aloe vera gel for cuts and burns. You could use it for a gentle facial. Oh my God, the possibilities are endless. And the fragrance, oh, the fragrance, so peppery, so beautiful. Onion skin, gold dust, delicious.